Ah, you've returned. The spirits of Halloween have called you, and there's no turning back now. Welcome back, witches and warlocks. I'm Diane, your other go-to expert for all typefaces and designs. As my friend Zaki is on an adventure to some wonderland, I think it's time for me to take over his place. Today, we're diving headfirst into a new Halloween design adventure. And in this tutorial, we're crafting something incredibly special. An epic Halloween t-shirt design that will spook up your wardrobe. So, ready to haunt your closet with some creativity? Grab your broomstick and let's fly into the tutorial. For the keywords, let's go with Halloween t-shirt ideas. Now as you can see here, most of the designs are a mix of illustrations with some text as either the title or just an accent. This is a common trend for Halloween t-shirts. So, for the design we'll be working on today, we're going to focus more on the illustration, making it the star of the show, while keeping the typography as a cool little accent. What do you think? Alright, now for the spooky part. We're going to need a font that screams Halloween. So, let's head over to deanstudio.com. We'll be searching for a horror-themed font called Devil Insight. It's perfect for giving the eerie, spine-chilling vibe. Check this out! The Devil Insight font supports multilingual accents, which means no matter what language you want to use, it's covered. Plus, it has this bold, intense horror feel that makes it absolutely perfect for t-shirt designs. Imagine this font paired with your favorite creepy illustration. It's a match made in Halloween heaven, right? Here is the cool part. Devil Insight is also available in the special horror font bundle. That means you're not just getting one font, you're getting a whole collection of terrifying fonts for a single payment. So, you can go all out with your Halloween designs. Okay, now in Procreate, we're going to sketch a spooky pumpkin character with a witch's hat as our main element. We'll also add some bat wings for a dramatic effect. The goal here is to create a bold, creepy look while keeping the composition balanced, so each element stands out without overwhelming the design. Alright, let's go to the tutorial. First, we'll start by making a vertical A3 size artboard. Next, we insert the illustration that we've made in Procreate by clicking the duplicate group on the artboard. After that, let's adjust the size and change the background color to black. To make the illustration stand out, we can add a background by using Ctrl-J to duplicate the layer, then rasterizing it with Ctrl-E. This is an important step to ensure that the background merges with the object. Next, let's select the entire illustration by pressing Ctrl and left-clicking on the layer. After that, we'll expand the selection by 10 pixels to give the outline a bit more breathing room. After that, let's make a new layer. Let's use a paint tool and color that area black. After it's done, let's deselect by pressing Ctrl-D. Next, click twice on the layer and give it a stroke with a size of 8 pixels. We will change the color to orange. Make sure that the stroke is in the outside position. The next step is to add the text carry using the Devil Insight font that we've downloaded previously. And adjust the size and the color. Let's now duplicate the text and change it into Halloween. To give a warp effect on the text, we will be selecting those two texts and making them smart objects. After that, go to the menu, choose Edit, click Transform, click Warp, and after that, choose Arc. Adjust the curvature so that the text look like they're following the design shape. To make the design appear more dramatic and scary, I added blood splatter effects in the text. But first, let's copy the text using Ctrl-J because we need a backup for later, and then let's hide it. Well, to make the splatter effect, we will make a fiber replacement in a new document. After that, make the background a smart object so that we can edit it some more. For the background, let's select Filter, click Render, and select Fibers. Set the variance at 16 and the strength at 4. This will give it a scary vibe that goes well with the design. Alright, the next step is to add levels in the image. Click Adjustment and select Levels. Set the input levels to 60 and the output levels to 128. And then, add a blur effect with the radius of 4 to give it a blurry look. After that, we adjust the blending Gaussian blur to the darken mode. Let's give it a blur effect again with the radius of 2. And let's not forget to save everything. Continue on, add the blood splatter effect to the text. And let's go to the menu, click Filter, Distort, and then Displace. Change the horizontal scale to 0 and the vertical scale to 100. And then choose the file that we've created before. I feel like this needs some more dramatical touches, so I added again the splatter effect with the same method. To ensure readability, let's activate the hidden backup of the duplicate text that we made a while ago. Next, for the bottom part, let's add the text, "It's your time to get spooked," using the same font, but we need to readjust the size. Finally, let's make sure everything is neatly arranged and centered. Once it is all set, we can save the design. There you go, a spooky Halloween t-shirt design ready for you to bring to life. By the way, you can download the illustration from the link that I've put in the description box. Please, feel free to use it however you like. So, what design should I do next? Do you have any creepy or haunting ideas for the next tutorial? Don't be shy, just tell me. Also, if you like this video, be sure to check out our other videos, leave a like, subscribe if you don't mind, and hit the notification bell to never miss out. Until next time, stay spooky and keep creating. Bye!